They have a culinary arts kitchen on board, and this morning we are doing Taste the Northwest. So I'm really excited about this. They have all the little stations, and I don't know exactly what we're gonna make, but we're gonna find out.
Welcome to Taste the Northwest. So this is a really cool facility in here. Everyone has their own cook station, and everything is set up here for you. And then there's a shared sink, so Leslie and I are sharing this sink with our cook stations. There are chairs along the back, and then I think he's gonna get up here and walk us through Pacific Northwest cooking.
So this is our Starbucks mocha cake with espresso ice cream on the top.
We're gonna talk about salmon, we're gonna talk about coffee.
I'm making a Seattle iced tea. Kind of like a Long Island iced tea. There is some honey, there is some cinnamon, orange tea, there's some bourbon and some lemon juice. And then he says we go pour that in. Then we put in the chukar cherries. Ship is moving. Cheers. Oh, that's delicious.
Haven't even had breakfast yet, and I'm already drinking. So there we go.
All right, we're making a salmon brulee. So there's like chives and daikon and shallots, salmon in there, butter, sour cream, and then we put this beautiful poached salmon in there. So I made a scallop with like a little mixture of crab and prawns and parsley and lemon on the little base of it with a boysenberry on the side. This is our Starbucks mocha cake with espresso ice cream on the top.
This was fantastic, very, very fun. It started at 9:50, which is why we didn't have breakfast yet. We lost an hour going to Canada from Alaska. So we came here and it was wonderful. We made 3 different dishes. That cake was amazing. I love gravlax, that was good. Still eating the cake. It's a sea day, so we really aren't going to do anything else today except for work in our rooms, catch up on things. But then tonight we have Chartreuse, so we will take you to that.
All right, so we are headed to Chartreuse, which is the French restaurant on board for dinner tonight, and we're all fancy. For our first course, we got the escargot. It's a really good dish. So it doesn't come in like the little like thing that has all the separate holes, but it's delicious.
For our second appetizer, we get the mushroom soup, which we have heard a lot about, that it was one of the best things to get here, and it is quite warm. That is fantastic. Oh my goodness.
I got the rack of lamb, and let's see how this is. It was really well cooked. I also got the mashed potatoes along with it, which are really fabulous, they're very creamy, and asparagus. This is a fantastic meal.
I also got the rack of lamb, which I am very excited about, but I also get the halibut. I love flaky white fish. It's a little dry. Hopefully the lamb's better. I think it probably will be because it looks really good.
That's going to finish up our dinner here. I'm sure we'll probably get dessert. And then we will probably head to the Explorer Lounge, which is what we like to do, and then wrap up this night before hitting Victoria tomorrow.
Welcome to Victoria. It is gorgeous out here. This is the first time we've really seen the sun all week long.
And the
What do you
blue
think?
skies. Oh,
The blue skies.
it feels so good.
So we just disembarked the ship. You can see that back over here. We are kind of unsure. So our excursion today was canceled, unfortunately.
Due to lack of participation.
Lack of participation. So we've discovered that that is one downfall of this amazing Regent Seven Seas ship being such a small ship.
Yeah.
Things tend to not open up for such a small number of people, which is totally understandable, but just knowing going in that that is a possibility. So we've decided to walk this lovely, it's like a just shy of 2 mile walk along the water and go to Beacon Hill Park.
Yes, so I think we are both about ready to be home. We're now that we're out of Alaska and we're not seeing all the wildlife and the mountains and all the things, we're kind of ready to get on that plane tomorrow and head back to Florida and our kids and the fur babies and all of that.
It does look like a lovely walk out here. So from where we're standing on this walkway, you can go out to, there's a lighthouse way out there off in the distance, or you can go that way and eventually we'll get to Beacon Hill Park. We're just gonna explore around, see what it's like. It's supposedly beautiful out there. Yeah, I think that's it.
Okay, so we have wandered over to Beacon Hill Park and we found this totem pole. We don't have any service really, so we can't figure out a story behind it. But at the very, very top, there is a bald eagle and he's huge. And at first I just thought he was part of the totem pole, but then he moved. So he's most definitely alive. He has found the best spot in the whole park, I think, to look for his food.
Okay, so apparently this was the world's tallest totem pole until 1973. And it was erected to memorialize the British Columbia Indians for the World Wars. We got a bar of service, so we figured that out. And then also there's a little tablet on here that says, in memory of British Columbia Indians who gave their lives in the World Wars.
Apparently the lifespan of a totem pole is about 50 years, and so it was restored and repainted and stuff, repaired and all of that in July 2000, I believe.
Bigger plaque, world's tallest totem pole, 127 feet tall. It is very cool.
All right, if you're looking to plan your next magical vacation, please reach out to us over at Fantastical Vacations. We plan Disney destinations, Universal, cruise lines, and all-inclusive resorts.
There are lots of gorgeous little areas here at Beacon Hill Park. A little fenced-in, flower gardens, this gorgeous area behind me with mason bee houses and a description of mason bees. Across the street is a children's little farm, which is kind of a petting zoo where you can go and pet the little goats. Really cool. What do you think?
Yeah, this is a really nice area, and I mean, there's loads of benches and picnic tables, and just the grass itself is kind of fluffy, like great place for like picnics and just hanging out for the day. There's a peacock right here behind me. I don't really know if they're mean or not. I would love for his little feather stuff, but I also don't want to disturb him. Look at him though, he's so pretty.
I think that is going to do it not only for Beacon Hill Park, we're headed back to the ship, but also for this amazing Alaskan journey.
Yes, it has been absolutely incredible. We have loved all of it. It's just, Alaska is a beautiful, beautiful state. Definitely make plans to go there if you haven't already. I'm sure we will be back very soon.
Oh, I would come every year if we could. It's a great place.
All right, well, if you are liking these videos, please hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss the next one.
And we will see you on the next video.